Howdy y'all, I'm Mikey J with Western Wear Mania, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and first impression video with my new Tecovas boots. And now it's been a while since I've done some Western wear videos. I've had a lot of other things come up and I just haven't been able to get as many more boots or other Western wear attire that I would have liked to. But I finally was able to break down and get some Tecovas boots. Now my boots that I've gotten and reviewed before were primarily Los Altos, and I really like them. I know they're not a high-end brand with boots, but I like them. I think they've got a variety, different styles, and they fit really well for me. And I do have a pair of Rio Grande boots that fit really well and have a unique stitch pattern on the shaft, which I really like. And that's why I've kept them mainly, because it's sort of a different type of stitch pattern than you commonly see. But after seeing lots of other videos and online and in stores, other pairs of boots, I finally decided to expand my boots, and I went with Tecovas. So I ordered them online and just got them, and they looked really good online in the pictures. As soon as I saw them, they were stunning. I thought, oh my God, these look really good. I really want these. And that kind of pushed me over the edge to try a different brand. And so what I did was end up ordering the Hank, and these are a lizard boot, exotic boot. And they have a nice, from the picture, they look like a sand colored, kind of blonde colored, and with like a brown wooden shaft, like wood colored type. So they looked really good in the pictures. So I finally ordered them, and I've gotten them. And I just want to kind of unbox them now and do a quick first impressions video. I'll probably do another comparison video, because I do have a pair of lizard Los Altos boots, and I'd like to compare them and see how they fit, as well as just how they look and whatnot. So now, ta-da, this will be the unboxing. So let's get started. This is my first Tecovas set of boots, and okay, nice box. It's just some information right here, just Howdy from Austin, Texas, they're made. And let's take a look. Okay, looks like really nice. Okay, the shaft cover is on the outside. And here's one. Oh, wow. Okay, this is going to be a good first impression. I can tell you right now, I'm liking these. And let's take this one. The shaft is on the outside. Usually they're on the inside, but I guess maybe they put them on the outside this time. And here's the other one. And oh, here's the tissue paper in this one. And I will move this to the side. So, or I'll just set this to here. And let's see if this one has the tissue paper. Oh, this one doesn't have tissue paper. Interesting. I guess just the way that they were packed. And I will put this up here. So let's, oh wow, okay, so my first impression is these look pretty stunning. And I'll put it out facing outwards so you can see. And wow, yeah, it's kind of a wooden brown shaft, really cool stitching design. Wow, the color of the lizard on the vamp in the counter it's a little darker than the picture. It looked a little blonder in the picture, but I like them. Oh, it has sort of a distressed look, like it's been worn, and I like that look. And I guess that's when you get an exotic type of leather, you know, it's not going to look exactly the same because they're from different animals, different sources. But wow, these look really nice, and I get the snip toe. I just prefer the snip toe. I've mentioned that in my other videos that I think it has a good aggressive look. It's not too crazy, but then it's got an old Western school type of look, and that's why I like snip toe. I'm not really a fan of the broad square toe or the round toes, but you know, that's like art. You know, what one person likes, another person may not, and that's doesn't matter. It's all personal preference. But I'm still like, wow, liking just the looks right off the bat, and it's really soft. I'll probably do more of a review, a detailed review later, but there's just a tag here that says Tecovas. I know I'm probably late in the game regarding getting a Tecovas or ordering Tecovas boots, but hey, you know, you got to start at some point. And I think they were like ending this edition, the Hank, and that's the one I pretty much like the most. But wow, these look really nice. You know, the lizard is darker than the pictures in the online, but I like it. It looks really, really. I think with light jeans they would look really good with a lighter color, and then this brown on the shaft, this color, it's nice. It's really nice. And inside, oh wow, it's very smooth. Yeah, I'll do a more detailed review and of the specs and everything. Yeah, I've got a nice heel, and then the rubber heel cap. And this is something I like, really. Wow. On the bottom, it says Tecovas. And it also has this kind of this burnished scratch to look, kind of like if it's worn. But it looks really nice on the sole here. Oh wow. So, oh, and they're also in the heel cap, there's a T, kind of like a brand, I guess. You can see what they look like. And yeah, so first impressions, oh, I'm impressed. I'm highly impressed, actually. And I can't wait to start wearing them and then compare them to my Los Altos lizard. I know Los Altos is Teju lizard. I'm not sure if this is the same or not for the type of lizard, but wow, they're going to give them a run for the money. The counter comes up a little high here. It's cool. It looks nice. I like the textures, kind of these long vertical lines here, and then this kind of more little dotted pattern here. So they kind of contrast each other. Looks really cool. Same here, sort of a dotted pattern and more of a line pattern on the front of the vamp, top of the vamp. Same here. Oh wow, nice leather smell. Not chemically. It doesn't smell like all chemicals, it smells like leather. Yeah. Wow, so I'm impressed and I can't wait to wear these and see how they feel, like I mentioned, and see how they look, and see how they stack up against my other boots. And yeah, just maybe Tecovas is a brand that I'm going to look more at in the future. I can see a lot of workmanship in this boot that seems a little bit higher quality than my Los Altos or the Rio Grande, but you know, all boots are different. Some, you know, have, you know, different qualities, you know, with that they focus on. So different brands have different qualities, and I sure like these. Well, I think that'll be it for this video. I just, because I want to get them on and start wearing them, and then I'll be able to do a more detailed, informative review of them. And here they are. And just by looks, I'm impressed. They feel really soft, and there's just one thing left to do, and that's put them on, wear them, and see what kind of reactions I get, see how they feel, and take it, you know, be able to compare them to my other boots, and see if I might end up buying more Tecovas or looking into other brands, branching out even more. So that'll be it for this video. Just a short, quick initial unboxing and impression video. So that's about it for this video. I'm Mikey J. See you next time.